Good day, everyone.
Good day, ma'am.
I am Humphrey John Corpus.
And I am Diablo and Lovely Adomo.
And we are the team Hearts. And this is how we distributed each task in the book. First, we analyzed each transactions by Kashato Shares and
we then recorded each journal entries in our scratch paper, which is the columnar pad.
Moving on, we have the sales invoice, the first document. This is where I recorded all the sales made by Kashato Shirts.
And I was the one who recorded all of the sales that we made in the sales invoice here in the sales journal. Next, we have the official receipt document where I recorded all of the payments that we received from our customer or clients.
And all the cash we received from our client from official receipt, I recorded it in the cash receipt journal.
Moving on, we have here the voucher document where I recorded all of the vouchers payable or the accounts payable that Kashato Shirts have.
And from the vouchers, I recorded the voucher register, all the payables here in the voucher register. And lastly, we have the checkbook where I recorded all check payments made by us.
And I was the one who recorded all of the check payments that we made in the check register.
That's all. Thank you.
And this is where we recorded the transaction October 3, where we issued the check to Comisaria Palaganas in full payment of voucher number 193. After recording them, we then analyzed the next transaction and record them in our sketch paper, the journal entries.
And in this part, I am recording the official receipt to the cash receipt journal.
After a few minutes of Humphrey recording the official receipt to the cash receipt journal, I then recorded the checkbook to the check register.